What is going on? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. I have been missing for so long. We have a new project. In fact, running around, and you guys probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I definitely have a new build I just started. This little project is a daily. Need some TLC, definitely need some body work and some stuff. There's a story behind it, so it's kind of personal. I don't want to really get into the details, but I just picked up a CRV a few days ago, and right now it's actually getting aligned. So as you guys can tell, I'm actually recording from my cell phone. You might see a little bit more, janky, kind of like shaking. You're gonna see a lot of shaking on this video. So I don't have my gimbal's at home. As you guys can see, buying a couple parts that it needs. 2 lower control arms. I have actually a timing belt box down there. You can see right there, I have a timing belt. You guys don't know, I have been missing for a while. You guys, asking, I don't know, a lot of people ask me to actually vlog the CRV build. You can say that, but I don't really have a CRV build. Right now, I'm actually just getting it to come up on the maintenance. There's a lot of things missing on this car. There's a lot of work that needs to get done. Today we have a lot of things. Right now actually the CRV is getting alignment. Other than that, I believe I will get the valve adjustment, mounts, timing belt, water pump, and water pump gasket. All of that's getting replaced today. It's week Tuesday. We're going to get everything sorted, make sure everything is running 100%. From there, I'll be able to put this video, so you guys might see this video somewhere around this next week or so. I'm actually driving back in Miami, so a lot of you people don't know, but I've been meaning to vlog. I just don't have a camera, so just want to get you guys a kind of like a quick update of what's going on, what's gonna have to be. Currently on my way now to go drop this parts at home. From there I gotta go pick up the CRV. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the progress of today. I'm gonna go ahead to Dabo's house today. We're gonna go ahead and work on that out. If you like this video, this type of content, give a like, subscribe, and also share. That kind of do help a lot. And in fact, I'm gonna be uploading some of the videos that I have. I'm gonna try to do my best to try to record some of the videos that I have, especially see if I can pick up a GoPro or anything like that and show you guys. I might not do OEM parts that I need, but it's some parts that I actually do need to get because some of the OEM parts are discontinued. You guys know I'm very more OEM style kind of guy, so this will do for the meantime. You guys around, I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks before and then after, how I did it. The car definitely needs some work. The car needs once I'm in front of it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on later. Peace. All right, so I'm back home, guys. This is my 2006 IS250. I worked on this car before. I did a whole makeover on it. 18 by 12s in the rear, 18 by 10.5 in the front. The car is sitting off Fitment Gurus air suspension. It has Fitment Gurus trunk setup. We need to finish that out. As of right now, the car is literally sitting. I have roller face big brake kits coming. Haven't installed them yet. This car is gonna go through a whole makeover. I had to respray the entire car because I have no parts waiting for this build. Anyways, enough of this car. The one that needs to work is the CRV. So you guys can see, she's sitting extremely high. So this car, it was my uncle's car. So you guys can see, it's kind of like a fender bender there. He got into a car accident. The car got hit on this corner. So when the car got hit in this corner, so there's a lot of work into this car, as you guys can tell. Still a little, little bit of fender work. Put this wheels actually a few days ago. Acura TL stocks. Do have to get a 5th one because the rear, it's not matching. It has a V20. It's all-wheel drive. They stole the drive shaft when they stole the catalytic converter when he was owning it. It's eBay headlights, clears, eBay front grille. I pulled out the damage with some heat gun, kind of worked it up a little bit, but you can tell the car is kind of misaligned in the front overall. It has brand new LEDs, lights completely. I put LEDs turning signal with the switchbacks. See the LEDs on top as well. This car is gonna get most likely a respray because it definitely does. It looks in need of it. So parts that I have going to install today. There's other parts that I'm gonna do to it. and the Yankees. I'm not a Yankees fan, but I do have all the parts in here that I'm gonna be installing today. This is the little daily update that I've got going on. It's a little work in progress. It still needs some work. You can help me fix the radiator support because I do want to get that fixed. I don't know if that radiator support is damaged. Yeah, that's what's going on. It's not all-wheel drive, so today, as you guys can tell, it's a little work. I need some work on it. It definitely do need tints. As you guys can tell, I'm a tint person. I like my car with tints. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the car from here, put it over next to the Lexus. The car is in not really rough shape. It's not rough spots. The car is in really good condition. I got it for free off my uncle. He's actually moving back to New York. I do not, and I repeat, I'm not stancing this day. Probably gonna have lower coilovers and tires. That's about it. And music, of course. Music is one of the things that I want to do on this car. As of right now, list of what we got going on today. This thing needs Jesus. And when I mean Jesus, do not mind my mess. This is just my bag. This is a couple of stuff that I bought today. Baskets. So what you guys see here is the low control arms for the CRV, a timing belt component kit, the other mounts, a water pump, which is down here with the gasket. So that's what we're gonna work on today. So when I get later, I'm gonna swing by Tabos and see if I can get this thing fixed. All the VIN matches with the car, so that's always a plus. I just gotta get this window tint off and order new tail lights and probably do a little wing on top. So I kind of gotta spice it up a little bit. But overall, the car is in great shape. Other than the radiator support, kind of a little bit bad. I mean, need of some parts, guys. Get a cluster. So if anyone has a CRV automatic cluster, let me know. Just gotta talk to my boy Steven to see if I can get that front end fixed and then be able to do it. Then of course later on I'm probably gonna realign the car because they couldn't be able to align it because the control arms are shut. So since the bushing is shut, I gotta fix that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.